Welcome to Wild Chef Science. It's time for Pam's Lab. Welcome back to the lab. Today we're making our raisins dance.
Dance? Do they know the tango?
We are going to explore density and buoyancy.
For this experiment, you need two things: a clear glass and some sparkling water. And our dancers, but this is no ordinary water.
This is sparkling water. It's full of carbon dioxide gas.
They are, Charlie. When they reach the top, the bubbles burst and... That, Wild Chefs, is the magic of buoyancy. Buoyancy is the upward force a liquid exerts on an object. The bubbles pop at the surface, the raisin loses its lift, and it sinks back down. Ready, liqu? So the bubbles are like tiny life vests for the raisins. The Dancing Raisins experiment is a brilliant way to see density and buoyancy.
Thanks for dancing with us. Stay wild.
We'll see you next time for more Wild Chef food and fun science.